Deep inside the ancient rainforest, where sunlight barely touches the forest floor, something is watching. Not a tiger, not a jaguar, a hunter from the sky. Meet the happy eagle. It's one of the most powerful birds on earth. Standing over 3 feet tall, with talons larger than a grizzly bear's claws. This aerial predator doesn't simply fly, it rules. High above the canopy, it waits in complete silence. Then, a sloth moves. In less than a second, the forest explodes. Massive wings slice through the trees as a harpy eagle dives with astonishing speed and precision. There is no warning, no second chance. Its crushing grip can generate hundreds of pounds of force, strong enough to snatch monkeys and sloths straight from the treetops. While most eagles hunt in open skies, the harpy eagle performs impossible aerial maneuvers through dense jungle, waving between branches with incredible accuracy. Its crown of feathers rises like a royal helmet, making it look every bit the king of the rainforest. But this legendary predator is now fighting a battle it cannot win alone. As rainforests disappear, so does its kingdom. Every towering tree that falls takes away another nesting site for one of the world's rarest and most magnificent raptors. The happy eagle has ruled these forests for thousands of years. The question is, will it still rule them in the future? If we protect the rainforest, the king of the canopy may continue to soar, because some legends don't belong in history books. They belong in the wild. But in all their height, they didn't drop from the sky. The hand of the Almighty God made them all. Thanks for watching. And before you go, please like and follow for more exciting content. Thank you.